Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best blenders for protein shakes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or premium performance, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list, at number 5 is the VOLTRX Vortex Boost Electric Shaker Bottle. This sleek and stylish electric shaker is designed specifically for protein shakes and meal replacements. The standout feature here is its next-level mixing technology, which achieves clump-free shakes in just 30 seconds. With a 16-ounce recommended mixing capacity, this compact device is perfect for pre- or post-workout shakes. The quiet motor ensures you won't disturb others, whether at the office or gym, and the USB-C charging system delivers up to 2 weeks of use on a single charge. The build quality is impressive, made with BPA-free Triton material that's not only shatter-resistant, but also meets infant-grade safety standards. It also fits comfortably into most car and gin cup holders, making it highly portable. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to its dishwasher-safe components and removable base. The LED battery status indicator is a nice touch for an added layer of convenience. While the VOLTRX Vortex Boost excels at portability and user-friendly design, it's not as versatile as a traditional blender. It's strictly for mixing liquids and powders. That said, if you're prioritizing portability and ease of use for protein shakes, this is a solid pick. Pros include its stylish design, quiet operation, and excellent mixing performance. The cons are its limited functionality for anything beyond liquid mixing. Perfect for gym-goers who want fuss-free protein shakes on the go. At number 4, we have the KOIOS Smoothie Blender, a powerful 900-watt personal blender designed for shakes, smoothies, and even baby food. With its upgraded all-copper turbo motor and pulse technology, this blender achieves speeds of 23,000 RPM, making short work of tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice cubes. The detachable 6-leaf stainless steel blade is a standout feature that ensures smooth blending in just 10 seconds. The design is modern and functional, featuring 2 22-ounce BPA-free blender cups with portable hooks for easy carrying. Whether you're heading to the office, gym, or class, this blender has portability covered. It also includes safety features such as heat dissipation fans and non-slip silicone pads for stability during operation. Cleanup is easy, with dishwasher-safe components and a detachable blade assembly. The included recipe book is a welcome bonus for those looking to experiment with healthy drinks. While the KOIOS Smoothie Blender offers excellent performance and versatility, it's slightly bulkier than other personal blenders. Additionally, it lacks multiple speed settings, which may limit precision for certain recipes. Pros include its powerful motor, large capacity cups, and sleek design. Cons are its single-speed operation and slightly heavier build. This is an ideal choice for health enthusiasts who want a high-performance blender with a focus on smoothies and shakes. Taking the third spot is the VOLTRX Electric Protein Shaker Bottle. This innovative shaker bottle eliminates the hassle of manual shaking with its one-key stirring function. Just press the button, and in 30 seconds, your shake is ready, completely lump-free. The quiet vortex mixing system ensures smooth blending without the annoying clashing sounds often associated with traditional blenders. The design is lightweight and portable, with a BPA-free Triton construction that's both durable and odor-resistant. It includes a leak-proof sealing system and an adjustable carrying ring for easy transport. The battery life is especially impressive, allowing you to stir up to 70 shakes on a single charge. Cleaning is effortless, thanks to its removable design that exposes any residual powder for thorough washing. While this bottle excels at mixing protein shakes and meal replacements, it's not suitable for blending solid ingredients like ice or fruit. Pros include its compact design, long-lasting battery, and quiet operation. Cons are its limited versatility and smaller blending capacity compared to traditional blenders. This product is ideal for those who want quick and efficient protein shakes without the bulk of a countertop blender. In second place, we have the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, the best budget option on our list at just $59.99. Don't let the price fool you. This blender offers excellent performance with its powerful 700-watt motor and pulse technology. It's capable of crushing ice and blending frozen ingredients to create smoothies, shakes, and even resort-style frozen drinks. The nutrient extraction feature is a game changer, allowing you to unlock hidden vitamins from whole fruits and veggies. The design is compact and straightforward, fitting easily on any countertop. It comes with two 16-ounce BPA-free single-serve cups and spout lids for on-the-go convenience. Cleanup is hassle-free, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe. The included 50-recipe inspiration guide is a nice bonus for those looking to explore new creations. While the Ninja Fit offers excellent value, it does lack multiple speed settings, and its smaller cups may not be ideal for larger servings. Pros include its affordable price, powerful motor, and compact design. Cons are its limited capacity and basic functionality. This is the perfect choice for budget-conscious shoppers who want a reliable blender for smoothies and protein shakes. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. This premium option is packed with features, including a powerful 1100-watt motor that can crush ice to snow in seconds and handle tough ingredients with ease. With 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a single-serve function, this blender offers professional-grade versatility for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. The design is robust and functional, featuring an XL 72-ounce pitcher for large batches, plus 2 16-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids for on-the-go convenience. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. The included 28-recipe guide provides plenty of inspiration for your blending adventures. The Ninja BL660 stands out for its exceptional performance and versatility, but it's heavier and bulkier than other options on this list. Pros include its powerful motor, large capacity, and versatile functionality. Cons are its higher price and larger footprint. This is the ideal blender for families or serious smoothie enthusiasts who need a high-performance, multi-purpose machine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.